Hey there, here's your workout. So you're gonna do 3 rounds. When you get to the end of this round, you're just gonna watch this video 2 more times. Okay, so the first one is windshield wipers. You're gonna do 10 on each side. Start with your handles in a low position. Flip over. This can be done on your hands or your elbows. Windshield wiper, and then feet apart. Windshield wiper. Feet apart. To balance yourself out, start going to one side, alternating. You know, go to one side one time, and then the other side the other time. Ten. The next one is a walkout. So you can keep your feet in the straps, and you're only going to do this 5 times. And you're going to go to where you feel comfortable. So you can start walking 5 times. All right, 5 times. Bring your feet out of the straps. Next one's called Pilates Abs. Might not seem so much at first, but it'll catch up to you. Roll back. Push your heels into the straps. Engage your hamstrings. You're gonna rock yourself up and pulse. 20 times. Keep pressure on the straps. There's 9. Here's 10. I'm pushing into the straps using my hamstrings. 6. There's 17. There's 18. There's 19. 20. Okay, the next one is called a lateral jump. You can do this with or without a box. So use it with box. Shorten your handles. Push into the handles to get a little more extension, a little more height than you would normally get. I'm going to move this box back. There. Box out of the way. Next one are curls, leg curls. Lengthen out your straps. Lean back. Hips up. Curl. Curl. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Push hard into the handles. There's 10 on each side. Next one is a V stretch. So it's a great way to pre-stretch your lats for the next exercise. So you're going to lean back into the stretch and then come up. Go into a V, sit back into your hips. 3, There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last exercise. Shorten your handles up to a very high position. So you can sit underneath them and do a pull-up. Okay, a couple different ways you can do this. You can prop your feet up or just do an L. Stay in your L sit, pull up. 10 times. And 10. There's your round.